I think it was when I bottomed out real hard climbing that last hill, but we snapped her. Oh, there you go. What do they say? It's left the chat. This has definitely left the chat. Napa and Hurricane was able to overnight me a replacement. Thanks, Napa. Of course, I failed to video the 56-minute struggle fest of Kyle and I getting 2 bolts through it to resume another day of wheeling. This is how day 2 started. Had to stop by the local toilet, take a morning poop. On our way to the Matt's Off-Road official off-road games. Look who it is. Right on, man. Cool seeing you here. Good, how you doing? Good. It's looking good.
Thanks. I've seen some of your videos.
Yeah. Been watching some of your stuff too.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I should, I'll flip around. We'll get a picture of them together.
Yeah,
Let me get up here and I'll flip around so we're facing the same way and get a picture.
That is a sexy front end suspension right there.
Yeah, just don't look at the back.
Wow.
Thank you.
Looks like this guy's out running his buddies down here. Yeah. That's so rad. Pulling Colts. Rudy's moving. Rower's coming up behind him. There goes Chad's Fab. Chappelle. Coming up the freaking trail. We got a dead person. We found a body. Hard right turn. There's definitely a freaking zombie up here.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, that was legit.
That was a party. How much damage did we do? Let's do a damage report. Yeah. Not too bad. We just got the roll bar.
Yeah.
Body didn't take any damage.
Not a bit.
I guess I put that in the right spot.
Oh, that was good.
I can't believe I just made it up that.
Yeah. That's quite the crack right there.
Hard right turn is what that one's called. Getting buck party. I got a little Lester.
Yeah, that was interesting. Could have used a spotter on that one. I think I need to be over that way.
that way a little bit more.
I go all the way that way, passenger, steer that all the way that way. And then just slowly back off of that. Front tire's about to drop. I'd probably back up a little bit and turn that way so that you get your ass end over. There you go. Now steer that way and come up that side a little bit better. There you go. Now come back this way. Yeah. Funny when you get those tires placed right, how easy it goes up stuff. Yeah. Okay.
Thanks again.
Check out the channel.
Okay.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna put that shot of you climbing that.
Sweet. Yeah, I don't mind at all.
Okay, cool.
Thanks.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Safe.
Over to the edge of the cliff. Decided to drive out here into Warner Valley and look up here. I'll flip this thing around. That was the cliff that we were on top of today, flying the drone earlier today. So now we're down in the very bottom of the valley, a few miles away. That's pretty cool. We'll camp down at the bottom of this valley. It's called Long Valley, and then once you get up into the top of here, it's called Warner Valley, and that's where we're at now. It's definitely pretty cool picturesque spot. Looks like an old-timey western movie up here. It's pretty sweet. Kyle in all his glory.
Marty in my pajamas.
Hey, brother.
I've got an all-new lineup of merch at adventuresaimless.com. Go check it out. Help support this channel and get some sweet merch in the process. I sure hope you enjoyed this video. It was the most fun I've had in a long time filming it. Let me know how I did by leaving some feedback in the comments below. I also have one more video coming out from this trip, so stay tuned by subscribing. You've made it this far into the video, so obviously you like what you watched. Do me a favor, go down there and smash that like button. As always, remember to keep your adventures aimless, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.